Electronic Media Monitoring Center. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to interpret the instructions of Commission on electronic media monitoring, summarize the monitoring mechanism of election management related news, underline the action to be taken by the CEO's office on the reports received from EMMC. Electronic media monitoring. During all the general elections, Electronic Media Monitoring Center monitors all election management related news on national and regional news channel. Electronic Media Monitoring Center monitors all the election related news which are important events, MCC violation, search and seizure, etc. on the day of poll and a day prior to that day, and submit 2 hourly reports to the Commission and concerned CEO office. On receiving the reports from Electronic Media Monitoring Center, the office of the CEO will ascertain the status on the items of the report and file action taken report or the status report within 2 hours to the Commission. Besides, the office of the CEO will intimate the action taken in the matter to the media also. If the news item is not found correct, that particular media may be informed to issue rebuttal. In this education video, we have learned about the Electronic Media Monitoring Center. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.